Hey everyone, let me introduce an all-new member to the Packtalk line, Packtalk Neo. In this tutorial, we'll show you everything you need to know about it. Packtalk Neo comes loaded with premium technology. Let's see how to set up and use DMC. Packtalk Neo is a communication system that enables groups as little as 2 or 3 riders all the way up to 15 riders to hold an open intercom conversation at a rider-to-rider range of 1.6 kilometers or about a mile between them. DMC is always on, will automatically reconnect riders the moment they're within range, and is just constantly working in the background to optimize the overall connection. Grouping riders in DMC is easy, it's fast, and it's the same exact process whether there's 2 of you or 12 of you. I'll show you first using just the buttons, and then I'll show you how to do it using the app. There's no right or wrong, it's completely up to you. So everybody just press and hold the intercom button, which is the upper one.
Grouping initiated.
This can all be done at the same time or kind of one-on-one like I'm doing it now.
Searching for group.
As these go purple, they're already in and they're already talking with each other.
Searching for group.
Last one. That one's now
Searching
grouped.
for
The
group.
3 of these are already active. They're in an intercom. They're talking. This one is still searching to see if
for
anybody
group.
else is joining, and then it will shut down, at which point these 4 units are connected.
Searching for group.
intercom.
Grouping succeeded. 3. Group members connected.
So let's do that again, this time using the app. We have this unit connected to this phone. Go ahead and select intercom. Now on this page, we see that this unit already belongs to a group. Had it not, we would see the option to start grouping on this page. Since it does, let's go to the top right. And now at the bottom, we see start grouping or leave group. We'll go ahead and select start grouping, at which point we have the option to name this group whatever we would like. And the unit is now going to go into grouping mode. If the 3 other units that were here were paired with a phone,
Grouping
they would do the
initiated.
exact same thing. Since they're not, we'll just do these ones manually. Press and hold the
Searching
intercom
for
button.
group.
Both of those went purple almost immediately. Let's do the last
Searching
one.
for group. Searching for group.
That one's in. On the mobile phone, we see that 3 riders have already successfully
Searching
connected.
for
The
group.
3 of them are already talking. We don't have to wait. Let's just hit finish.
Grouping succeeded. 3. Group members connected.
And there we go. All 3 of those members now populate on the app. If you'd like to add somebody new to this group, look right below the group name to where it says Add Riders. We'll go ahead and hit that, and then the top option, Pair More Riders, go ahead and select
Grouping
that.
initiated.
We take the new member, same thing, press and hold the intercom
Searching for
button.
group.
Purple almost immediately. That
Searching
means
for
that they
group.
are in, they're already talking. We'll go ahead and hit finish.
Grouping succeeded. 4. Group members connected.
Done. As a quick note, this unit was able to bring this unit into this group because if we look under the group title, it says you are the group admin. However, if I were to switch to my other group, it says I'm a member of this group, and as such, I'm unable to add anybody to this particular group. Let's go back to our core group of 4. I'm going to turn this one off, and we should see that reflected in the app here in a second. Every rider has the option to mute or unmute the group. And what I mean by that is a 2-second hold on the roller wheel. This person, I'm no longer hearing the group and they're no longer hearing me. It has no effect on them. They can all still talk freely, but I'm basically checked out. When I unmute, I'm now fully back into the group. They can hear me, I can hear them. If you plan on using the private chat feature, which is an incredible capability of DMC, allows you to have a one-on-one conversation with any member of your group, I would first recommend going and naming your device. You do that by just going here, unit name, type any name that you would like to have. Make sure to save that. Now back to the screen which shows my group. Instead of just saying Packtalk Neo, Packtalk Neo, Packtalk Neo, these would actually say Ron, Brian, Lindsay, and whichever one has this little lock symbol next to it is my private chat person. To activate private chat, it's 2 taps of the intercom button.
Private chat on.
I'm now having a one-on-one conversation with that person without affecting anybody else. And to go back to the group as a whole, 2 taps again.
Private chat off.
Now, say I quickly wanted to talk with somebody else in the group, I can simply select their name.
Private chat on.
Private chat is activated.
Private chat off.
And now that is also my new private chat person. If you were to take a phone call while riding with a member of your DMC group or the entire group as a whole, you have the option to share that call with your private chat member or the entire group. Now, if you have the app open, you can do that just by selecting on the app. This phone call is now going to the entire group. Or I can select to share that phone call with just
Private
my
chat
private
on.
chat person, which in this case is this bottom one.
Private chat off.
To do that manually, 2 clicks of the intercom button
Private chat on.
would share that call with your private chat person, 2 clicks.
Private chat off.
And if you wanted to patch that call into the entire group, you would just hold it down for 2 seconds. That's a very useful capability, especially when you have somebody with a non-Cardo unit that might just be paired to their phone. If that person calls any member of the DMC group, that member could then patch them into the entire conversation. Now, if this rider, which is paired with this phone, wanted to add a passenger that was just using a normal Bluetooth intercom, which in this case is a Cardo, but it doesn't have to be, simply go down to your menu again, select Add Rider, and say Pair New Passenger.
Rider A pairing.
This is now in the mode for pairing. On the Cardo, we would just go to normal intercom pairing.
Rider A ready.
And they're now connected. Now to activate this passenger and bring them into the entire conversation, it's 3 clicks of the intercom button. We can tell by the app that the bridge has been done, and now all 5 of these are communicating with each other. To bring the passenger out of the conversation, and it's back just to those 4. Thanks for watching. See you next time.